In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the brush tool in Photopea. We'll do everything right in your web browser, so there's nothing to install. Photopea is a powerful Photoshop-style editor, and the brush tool is your go-to for painting, retouching, and adding quick creative touches to any image. Start by visiting photopea.com. When the workspace loads, you'll see the canvas in the center, tools on the left, and panels like layers on the right. Next, choose Open from Computer. This opens a file picker so you can bring in a photo or graphic from your device. Select the image you want to work on. Common formats like JPEG and PNG are perfect, and even PSD files are supported. Once it appears on the canvas, you're ready to begin. Click the brush tool in the toolbar on the left. It looks like a paintbrush icon. With the tool active, check the options bar along the top. Here you can fine-tune size, hardness, opacity, and flow. Size controls how large your strokes are. Hardness affects the edge. Lower values make softer, feathered strokes. Higher values make crisp edges. Opacity sets how transparent your paint appears, while flow controls how quickly the paint builds up as you move. For detailed work, use a smaller, softer brush. For broad shading, go bigger and adjust as needed. Also glance at the Layers panel to make sure you're painting on the correct layer. Before painting, choose your color. Click the foreground color swatch near the bottom of the toolbar to open the color picker. Drag inside the color field to set saturation and brightness, and move the vertical slider to change the hue. If you have a specific brand or design color, you can enter its value directly. Pick something that contrasts with your image so you can clearly see your strokes, then click OK to confirm. Now apply your brush to the canvas. Start with gentle, steady strokes and build up color gradually. If you want subtle, natural-looking results, lower the opacity in the top bar. If you need solid coverage, keep it higher. Adjust size on the fly if you move from broad areas to fine details. If a stroke doesn't look right, simply undo and try again until it feels smooth and controlled. You should now see your results taking shape right on the canvas. Explore a couple of sizes or shades to refine the look, and watch how the color interacts with your image. That's the full process. Open your image, select the brush, pick a color, paint on the canvas, and review the outcome. Practice a few times, and using the brush tool in Photopea will become second nature. Enjoy creating.